How to add subcategory on Shopify store. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how you can add subcategories to your Shopify store. So first of all, log in to your Shopify admin panel. And once you're logged in, go to the left-hand side and click on Online Store. It will open the theme page on the screen. From here, look for the navigation option. If you don't find the navigation option here, don't panic. In the latest Shopify dashboard, the navigation panel has been moved under the Content section. Now click on the menu page from the left side, and then click on Main Menu to go to the navigation panel. Here we'll create a new category, and then we'll add subcategories under it. So first, click on Add Menu Item, and a new field will appear on the screen. Here, enter the category name in the label field, and then you need to link a page to this category. Make sure you've already created the page you want to link. But for this demonstration, I'll select a random page. Once you're done, click on the tick mark icon to save it. Now the new category has been added to the navigation panel. Next, let's create a subcategory under this main category. Click again on Add Menu Item and enter the subcategory name in the label field. For the link, select a product page for the subcategory. Once done, click on the tick mark again to save it. Now, to make this a subcategory, simply grab it using the drag dots and move it slightly to the right under the selected category. And there you go. The subcategory has been created, and you can add as many as you want. Once everything is done, click on the Save button at the bottom right corner. Now let's preview it in the navigation panel. From the left side, hover over the online store and click on the eye icon to open your store in a new tab. Once the store is open, you can see that the category has been added, and if you click on it, the subcategory will also appear. And that's it. That's how you can easily add subcategories to your Shopify store. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.